Hello friends, I am Dr. Shekhar Vishwas, practicing pediatrician in Jaipur Golden Hospital, New Delhi. Today, we all know we are going through a tough times, and we are getting calls. Parents are calling me now and then, how to keep ourselves safe, how to prevent corona, how the children are to be prevented from infection, and so on. So friends, this is a small tip or a small video which you can share with your friends also. So corona status all around the world, it's everywhere. It's not a wave, I will call it a tsunami. And ultimately, how to prevent it? Many parents ask me. The prevention is mask, mask, and mask, and nothing else. As you all know, children are at home. They're not going to school. So how the infection comes? It will come from the parents only, or the caregivers. So you should be very much cautious, because ultimately you can carry the infection at home. So when you are outside for anything, any job, please wear the mask properly. Hand sanitation should be done, and there is nothing else you can do. Talking about, unfortunately, if you have corona at home, then again questions, parents ask me, is there any medicine? There is no medicine which can increase the immunity and that can prevent infection to the baby. No Giloy, no Coronil, no multivitamin can prevent that. So ultimately, it is the prevention is respiratory precaution. That means if somebody is having corona at home, unfortunately, that person should be isolated and everybody should wear mask. Tough question arises when we see mother becoming positive in the hospital while delivering the baby. The question arises, should we breastfeed the baby? Again, breastfeeding is very important, and if the mother is corona positive and she wants to feed the baby, breastfeeding can be done. Important is she should wear N95 mask, do proper sanitization, and feed the baby. Sometimes decision may be taken by the parents that they don't want to feed the baby for 15 days, first 15 days when mother is infective. This can also be done. Then what can you do? You can express the milk and feed the baby and keep the baby in isolation. But ultimately, as doctors, we prefer that mother should be kept with the baby only. Now the question comes, what happens if unfortunately our baby is sick and somebody is COVID positive at home? Yes, this can also happen. If your baby is sick, important is take a consultation, if possible online, and refer to your family pediatrician. And important is, again, if the child has symptoms, they have to be treated. Like if the child has fever, you have to give paracetamol. What else you can do? You have to see the symptoms, and you should always know the danger signs. So keeping a proper temperature charting, seeing the respiratory rate of your child, seeing the eating habits of your child, and again you should keep a pulse oximeter at home and always check the saturation of your child. It should be at any time more than 95. So what are the red flags? If the saturation is falling below 95, if the respiratory rate of the child is increasing, work of breathing is increasing, child is lethargic, not able to feed, vomiting persistently, then it is time that means you have to go to or rush to the hospital. So ultimately, important is prevention is always better than cure, and tough times are there. So don't worry, मुश्किल वक्त है, गुजर जाएगा, हम होंगे कामयाब और कोरोना ज़रूर हारेगा. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ वी शुड कीप फेथ ऑन गॉड and do our duty and keep ourselves safe. Jai Hind and thank you.